Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming you own the console and have access to the 4-digit PIN or the linked Nintendo account email. Once ready, power on the Switch, connect to Wi-Fi, and open System Settings. Then, scroll down and select Parental Controls so you begin at the right place. If you don't know the PIN yet, prepare your phone for the Parental Controls app or make sure you can sign into the Nintendo account tied to the console. You now perform the core steps. Enter the 4-digit PIN on the Switch to unlock controls, or select Forgot PIN and follow the Nintendo account reset prompts sent to the linked email. If you use the Parental Controls smartphone app, open it, choose your console, and locate the option to modify or remove restrictions. Once the system accepts your credentials, choose Disable or Unlink for that console and confirm. This removes enforced limits and restores normal playtime and content access. To finish, restart the Switch and make sure gameplay, online features, and the eShop work as expected. This confirms restrictions are off. Make sure to sign out or remove the console from the Parental Controls smartphone app so settings don't reapply. If something goes wrong, like you can't access the Nintendo account or PIN reset, collect your purchase receipt and console serial, then contact Nintendo support for account recovery. That's the key troubleshooting step if standard reset options fail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.